Hello everybody, today we're working with our little split and split. So stay with me and we'll get started. First what we will do is warm up. We move our hip that have a good mobility. So 3. Then we will take our leg and start pushing it on ourselves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After we will try to take our leg like that. And touching, pushing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Try to take our leg in another hand and push legs. So take a leg, take a breathe, and slowly breathe out and going down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys. I will hope that you like this video. Follow me and don't watch my other video. So bye bye.